Hi guys, this is Imperious FPV, and today we're testing GoldBat's 4S 1300 milliamp hour battery. Here we have the side-by-side of our CNHL and our GoldBat batteries. Both are 1300 milliamp hour 4S 100C batteries. The main difference is the CNHL is both big and heavier. And you can see that the turns with the GoldBat battery are much tighter due to its smaller weight. The GoldBat pack is already getting away from the CNHL. And you can see the voltages there in the middle of the screen are right there neck and neck. To conclude, because of its reduced weight, the GoldBat is able to do more laps and it's able to go faster. The voltages are nearly identical when they finish. And for the price point, I mean, you have to put the GoldBat over the CNHL. Big thanks to the guys over at GoldBat for sending me the battery for testing. I'll absolutely be using more of their batteries in the future. So, see you guys next time.